See the world you love shine like never before.
I'm the map, I'm the map.
He's the map, he's the map.
I'm the map! Dora and Boots want to find out where all the animals are. Well, I know where the animals are. They're at the end of the alphabet, at Z. Why are they at Z? It's a mystery! To get to Z, first you have to go up the elevator at E. Then you have to go down the slippery slide at S. And that's how you'll get to Z. So remember, elevator, slide, Z. Say it with me. Elevator, slide, Z. Elevator, slide, Z. Elevator, slide, Z.
Mail time.
Mail time.
That sound makes me so happy. I want to get the mail.
Here's the mail, it never fails. It makes me wanna wag my tail. When it comes, I wanna wail.
Mail time.
Mail time.
The mail's here. Let's go.
Here's the mail, it never fails. It makes me wanna wag my tail. When it comes, I wanna wail.
I think we should find our last clue. The mail's here. Let's go.
Here's the mail, it never fails. It makes me wanna wag my tail. When it comes, I wanna wail.